here, Sunday, December 1st, 2024. A little update here on these Lenovo thumb drives, which are supposed to be 8 terabytes and 16 terabytes in a thumb drive. I thought that was a little odd. I was like, man, that's really outrageous that they can get that much room in a tiny little drive. So here's the thing, they're not really that big. Max, somebody commented yesterday, Max, he says, don't use these, they don't work, they lose your stuff. Okay, so let's go look at this E drive here. It says, we go over here to the E, it says it's 2.58 terabytes free of the 7.62 terabytes available. Okay, so we'll go in here and it's got my folders. They're you know, I got all my, it appears to have everything in there, but when you go to upload something a little bigger, like over here in video, oh, there's nothing there. Well, I just put a whole bunch of videos in there. Let me go do this again. Hang on. All right, I just got a pile of random videos. I tried 7 before. It wouldn't do it. I'm going to try 3. So I'm going to grab these 3 down here. I'm going to take these down into over here to the video and drop them in there. Boom. Now 8, 10%, 18% complete. Why doesn't this focus? Oh, there we go. So we're going to get this uploaded in here. There they're going. They're going. They're going. All right, and it says it's complete. Okay, so let's go back up out of there. Go over to some other file. Open that. Yep, it looks like all our stuff is in there. And all of these have pictures and so there's a lot of images in here. There's quite a few files actually. Let's go look at another one. There's gonna be a bunch. Oh, there's not too many in there. Hang on, let's go see. Random, not too much in there, but there's files. They're all there. Here, this should have a few in there. There we go. Bunches of pictures. So they're all saved in there. All right, let's go back. Oh, wait, we did it too far. Let's go down over into the, all right, video again. All right, the 3 videos that I just put in there are there. All right, let's go down and we're going to eject this drive now. Eject. All right, we're going to pull that drive out. And there it is. Show you that this is the Lenovo drive. That's made in China. It's shipped from Pakistan, delivered by hand by some guy walking down the road at 8:30 at night. It comes in a package like this. It says 8 terabytes. Just says USB cable on there though. And it's got a bunch of stuff about the coating on the back and a wire that's wrapped or something in 24 karat gold. But there's no barcode on this thing. It says made in China, but there's no barcode or anything. Same with the other one. This is supposed to be the 16 terabyte. I don't know if you can read through the label there, but that's the other label stuck over it. But that's what you get. No barcodes, nothing. And it's heavy. It's a nice, you know, metal drive. But anyways, let's go back in here and see if my video folder's empty. So those files I just put in there, it just overwrote them or something. I don't know why it won't hold video files. Pictures, yeah, tons of them. All these folders within the folders all have images in it, so it saves a lot of pictures, but it will not, as far as I know, save video. Let's try it again. One more. I'll do one file. All right, I'm going to grab this one down here in the corner. Wait, I gotta go to, wait, no, that's right. Grab this. I'm gonna go down dropped it in my video file over here. Take that up there. There we go. Alright, so it's going to download that pretty quick. Alright, let's go see. We'll go up. Go to our new modern music file. Oops. Alright, that's in there. Got one file in there. Don't have a lot of music in there. Let's go back to our video. It's there. Let's see if it plays. I think it will. It takes a minute to load, that's for sure. There it is. So it, what? Can't open? Hang on. Alright, it's not wanting to play that either. It's only a 22,000 kilobyte file, MP4. It won't play an MP4 out of the drive for some reason. Alright, let's go in, eject this again. And pull it out again. There it is. Put it back in. There it is again. Pops right up. Oops, it should pop right up. Where'd it go? Let's try E. Alright, there we are. In our video, and the folder's empty, so it won't hold a video file. It overwrites, and I'm not really sure how much storage is actually on this thing because it won't hold very much. It keeps saying that there's 5.78 terabytes on there, or 7.58 terabytes, I mean. And it says there's terabytes, but you can't get no terabytes on there. It's not real. It's not a real drive. It's not real terabytes. They hacked that to look like terabytes. It's probably 2 or 3 gigabyte maybe. So that's how you get a 8 and 16 terabyte drive for $11 from Pakistan.